Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp business app. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp Business. This app is from WhatsApp Incorporated. WhatsApp Business app is best suited for the local small businesses. So if you are a local small business owner, then download the app and open it right now. Now tap on Agree and Continue and enter your phone number. And tap Next. An OTP will be sent to your phone. Now enter that OTP here. If you have backup, then tap Continue. Otherwise, tap on Not Now. Now enter your business name. And select a category. And tap Next. There are many business tools in the WhatsApp Business app. You can set up your business profile, you can set up your catalog, and it also has messaging tools. Now tap on Explore. Now tap on Business Profile. Tap on the edit icon on top right corner. You can enter your business logo, add a description of your business, as well as add your address. You can add business hours, tap on Schedule, and tap on Open for selected hours. Now set up your business hours. You can also add a set of hours. Now if you scroll down, you can enter your business email. As well as your website URL. You can also add another website. Here you can also update WhatsApp About. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. If you go back to editing again and tap on the three dots on top right corner, you can discard your all changes. Now let's set up a catalog. Tap on Add Item. Now tap on Add Image, and I'll just select a photo from my gallery. Now enter your item name. Set up a price. And tap on More Fields. Here you can add a description, add a link to your product or service, and set an item code. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. And to add more item, tap on the green button on bottom right corner. You can set up an away message, a greetings message, as well as quick replies. You can also label your conversations, and you can also add new labels. You can also create a short link. And that's how you can use WhatsApp Business app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.